Row, row, row your boat down the silver stream. Paddles splash and water laughs, gliding like a dream. Row, row, row together, left side, right side slow. Feel the breeze and hear the birds as softly on we go. Row past fish with shiny tails, waving as they swim. Row past frogs on lily pads, croaking